All right, I want to start by showing you this one in action. Now, Wavytalk sent us this particular tool over for us to try, but my sister has actually been using their styling products for years, and she's now been using this one for the past few weeks. Now, what has impressed her the most is how quickly she can get her hair smooth without needing a large, bulky straightener. Now, my sister is currently wearing extensions, and this has worked really well for her, whether her extensions are in or out. With the extensions in, she can work through the lengths using smaller, controlled sections, and when they're out, the narrow design makes it much easier to reach closer to the roots and straighten shorter pieces. Of course, she still uses the appropriate temperature and avoids placing direct heat over her extension bonds. Now, the entire barrel is only 0.65 inches wide with an especially narrow heating plate inside. That makes it great for shorter hair, pixie cuts, bobs, bangs, baby hairs, edges, or any area where a standard flat iron feels too wide. Even if you have longer hair, it gives you much more precision around the roots and face framing pieces. Now, the controls are really simple. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn it on, and then briefly press it to move between the 5 temperature settings. You have 280, you have 320, 360, 390, and 430 degrees. That range lets you use lower heat on fine, fragile, or extension hair while still having higher temperatures available for thicker or more resistant hair. Now, the feature my sister appreciates most is the 360-degree cool air flow. There are 104 cooling vents surrounding the tool, so cool air flows to the hair as you style. It is designed to help cool and set each section while minimizing unnecessary heat exposure. It doesn't eliminate the need for heat protectant, but it gives you an additional cooling step instead of leaving the hair extremely hot after every pass. You can also turn the airflow off when straightening or whenever you want a quieter styling session. Now, inside you have 3D floating ceramic plates that adjust to the section of hair and glide smoothly without feeling like they're constantly snagging or pulling. The tool feels lightweight but still durable, and the heat insulated outer casing makes it easier to control when working around shorter pieces. Even though it looks like a thin flat iron, it isn't limited to straightening. The rounded exterior allows you to rotate the tool and create a curl, bend the ends, or add a soft wave. You can see how easily my sister makes this small curl without switching to a completely separate curling iron. Now, here's the finished hair completely straightened and ready to go. Now, this honestly did not take her very long at all, and the final result looks smooth and polished without requiring a massive styling tool. For her, the combination of the thin design, adjustable heat, ceramic plates, and cooling airflow is what makes this different from a basic pencil flat iron. Go ahead, check this one out.